Hello everyone and welcome to our new lesson for today. Lesson 2, Drawing with Loops. And our objective for today, break down problems into smaller to facilitate the program development process. Our success criteria: identify the benefits of using a loop structure instead of manual repetition. Differentiate between commands that need to be repeated on loops and commands that should be used on our own. Okay. Design your own drawing by using the practices on lesson 2. Okay, we have 2 vocabulary for today. Before we start, we have 2 vocabulary is loop and repeat. Loop, the action of doing something over and over again. We tried actually on the previous period last week, and as well the repeat, to do something again. Okay, it means loop, action doing something over and over. It means more than 2 times. Repeat is only doing something again for 1 time. Repeating for 1 more time, it can be 2 times. Right, guys? Okay. What you need to do after that, you need to log into your account in code.org. Okay. After you log in, for sure you already finished the sequencing in the maze, lesson 1 last week, and should be this all turned to green. Okay, if you notice that you didn't complete it all, please, after you finish, if you still you have time, after you finish the lesson 2 all, you can go back and complete the lesson 1. It means this week, please, anyone didn't complete the lesson 1, you need to complete it, please. Okay, guys? Because there is still many students they didn't complete lesson 1. Okay, let's start with lesson 2. Okay, drawing with loops. Here we are in the first practice. We need to watch this video. Let's watch with you together.
Qualify for the race if you don't have people that are proficient in computer sciences because of how much data the cars collect and the necessity to be able to have people that can write programs that to figure out how you can continue to build performance. In these puzzles, you'll be an artist that uses a pencil to draw different shapes, so wherever your artist goes, it will draw a line behind them. To move around the canvas, you'll use the move forward block. Here, the move forward block says move forward by 100 pixels. When we hit run, what happens? The artist moves forward a certain amount, and that amount is 100 pixels. Pixels are basically very tiny squares on your computer screen. The other block we have in this puzzle says turn right by 90 degrees. And when we drag that out, that makes our artist turn a certain amount. So you can play around with how far you want the artist to turn. This is a 90-degree turn. And this is a 120-degree turn. And remember, you can change these values by clicking the arrows next to the numbers for pixels and degrees. Enjoy drawing with your artist.
Okay, guys, we finished from the step 1. Okay, I believe you understand what's mean from this video. We're going to practice more to understand what is this video about. Let's go to the step number 2 or practice number 2. Okay, let's read the instruction first, as we know that we need to read the instruction first. Hi, I'm an artist. Okay, you can write a code to make me draw almost anything. play with the blocks in the toolbox to see what they do. Okay, it means there is no specific things that we need to do here. We can try many things. I want you to try as you can. Okay, for example, I'll let him move forward by 100 pixel. Okay, move forward, you know already what's move forward. Okay, he's gonna draw something when he move forward by 100 pixel. 100 pixel, it means, as you see in the video, pixels mean is very tiny squares on your screen. Here there is a small tiny pixels. This is shows in your screen or any photo. This is called pixels. Okay, he need to move 100 pixel, يعني he need to move forward for 100 of this tiny squares. Okay, and we're going to know how long he will move forward. Okay, this is means pixels. Okay, he moved forward for 100 pixels. Then we need to let him turn right by 90 degree. I can change the 90 degree to, see here also it will show where he will turn. See, for example, if you want 180, he will turn full 180. This is 120, 90, 60, 45. I want him to make a square, for example. For sure it will be 90 degree. Okay, after he turn, what he need to do, he need to move again forward 100 pixel. The squares, it is equal, right? It means we need to use same 100 pixel. He moved forward by 100 pixel. Okay, to complete our square, what I need to do, I can let him move, turn right again, right? Okay, then move forward. You can try with me, guys. Okay, and anytime you can pause your video and try these steps and put it together and see how it will work. Okay, let's try till here and see what's going to happen. Let's hit run. Okay, we complete some of the square, but we need to complete it more. Now you see where did he reach. Again, where he want to turn, right again, right, and move forward for 100 pixels. Turn right for how long? For how many? 90 degree again. Let's click reset and run. Great, I did a square. Very good. Someone else, Mister, we can use some different colors. Yes, you can. If you take this color, for example, you can change the color as you want. See, there is many kind of colors. Okay. You want set the color here, for example, before he move forward, I can put the color here, what? Blue. Okay, let's try something else. In this line here, before he move forward, I can put a different color, change it to make it red and put it here. Okay, and let's, before he move forward here as well, let's put a different color, yellow for example. Okay, and let's try again. What will happen? See, he draw blue. Why he continue drawing in yellow? Because I didn't change the color once again, and I didn't put any color. What's the default color is? Black, right? Okay, if you want to change this color to different color, what you need to do here, okay, here before move forward, you can change the color to a different color and put it here. Let's try again, reset. Great, we are done. Okay, there is another thing here. If you want to change the speed while he's drawing. This is the speed, this is faster, this is slower. If you make it slower, see what will happen. Okay, great. If you want to make it fast, here we go. See how fast he fetched it. Okay. When you are programming also later on, you can select the speed of drawing. Okay. Also we have something here, set color, random color. Okay. You can do what? Repeat also. Remember when we use the repeat, how many times he's going to draw? You can put it all on the repeat 4 times. And let's see what will happen. See what happened. He drew 4 squares. He repeated for how many times? 4 times. I want you to try all of this. Try to do something different. Not oval. You can try to. You can do oval. You can try to do something else. Not only squares. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm done here from step number 2. When I finish, click finish. Then I can go where to continue. Next step. Step number 3 or practice number 3. Okay. I can make this here bigger. Let's read the instruction first. I can play it as well, as you know.
Let's make a cage for my pet monster. Drag blocks onto the screen to have the artist draw over the gray lines in the picture. Each line is 100 pixels long.
Okay. The instruction here is the line is long 100 pixel and we need to complete the cave of this monster. Okay, let's start. We need to move here how many? Move forward 400 pixel. Then where we need to turn right 90 degree. Great. After he turn, what we need to do? Move forward again 400 pixel. Okay, let's try now. Great, we did it. Very good. We can hit continue. Okay, you need to watch this video for the practice number 4. After you watch it, you continue and finish it all till number 11. If you're stuck in any practice, you can skip it till the end and go to the next practice by clicking it. Okay, guys? Even if you're stuck and you didn't know how to answer one of the practices, you can contact me through the messages on Schoology and I'll assist you how to solve that practice. Okay, guys? Okay, there is one thing more I want you to do. I'll add a link for this website for you. This link here, this is in code.org. If you're done with the lesson fast and you need to practice more, it's more to learn. I'll put the link, just you click on it and open it, then you can hit grade 2 to 5. You click on it. After you click on it, you will find many kind of programs here. You can pick any one. This practices, it will teach you many things. Okay, for example, if you pick one, for example, for code with Anna and Elsa, okay, you hit start and you start practicing as well. This is like a practices that we did exactly for our lesson. Okay, and I know many of you already like to do something like that. You need to watch the video for first practice to know what you need to do. That's all for today. See you next week. Have a nice day. Bye.